Hey yo, what's up guys? How are you? I'm fine. And you? Today this exchanger is a Totemon exchanger. Totemon exchanger is the most popular and trustful exchanger. Totemon exchanger deposit in fast and withdrawal in fast. Totemon exchanger is a trade, withdrawal and deposit all trustful and quickly deposit and quickly withdrawal. And Totemon exchange security is a full safety and a trustful. All security is a strongly just trade and a token, just nice level, just good exchanger is a Totemon. Totemon exchanger is a good exchanger and bye bye, goodbye, see